Thank you very much. Hello, everyone. I'm talking about Scrimber. We're going to revolutionize timber construction. And maybe as a short introduction, you see, what do you see? A young kid, great dreams, on an electric car already. That's me, 1972. 1997, a young man starting his first company, great dreams, great expectations, one man, one desk, one project. 2025, can you see that? Ah, yeah, 4,500 projects realized. 100 staff, 6 branch offices, 5 companies. I know how to build companies. I did that several times. And we did a lot in timber engineering, so we do bigger buildings. Do we have enough wood? Do we have enough wood to replace, for example, Berlin entirely, not with concrete, but in wood, because wood is storing carbon? How can we take all this carbon out of the air and make a product? Can we make a new building material? We don't have to, ladies and gentlemen. It's already there. And it's the forest. It builds building materials out of CO2. Worldwide, 4 billion cubic meters of wood per year, 4 Milliarden Kubikmeter pro Jahr. 11 million cubic meters per day. 1 cubic meter is always 1 ton of carbon, more or less. 457,000 cubic meters per hour, 7,600 per minute, 27 cubic meters per second. Tack, tack, tack. Noiseless, odorless, and it's free. Nature, the forest, does it for us. But if you want to keep the forest as a carbon tank, it's a bad idea. The forest will always go down after a while. After maturity, it will go down. So we have to take the wood, the old trees out of the forest, take it into buildings, and build sort of a second forest, which is a longer-lasting carbon tank. And usually we do that already. It exists. There is a timber industry, and which is mainly sawmills and gluing these lamellas together somehow. But it's just a yield about 30%. So you take one tree as 100%, just 30% go into the product, and 70% are waste. How can we take more out of the trunk, out of the log, into the product? And this is the Scrimber technology, where wood is crushed several times to several drums, and then we can rise that yield up to 90%. We can use also underutilized low-quality wood, thin logs, short logs, curved logs, everything we can use. We can even use reclaimed wood. So if you tear down buildings with wood in it, we can also use that wood to build new structural products. We have a roadmap. We started quite a few years ago. We built already the first core machine, which is drums. We don't show it because it's some secrets inside. And we are now extending or expanding. First step is prototypes. Second step is modular laboratory line, where we can make sure that it works. Third step is industrial pilot plant. It's planned to start in 2028. And a large-scale industrial pilot plant, that's where the money is coming from, is a little bit later. I think we have to do this grow-up way to take all the risks out. This is an invitation to invest. We have this targeted round of 3 million, closing in quarter 3, 25. It will be a convertible note. Pre-money valuation will be about 10 million. So if you're interested, have a look at me. Look out for me. With the sample, we'll be standing around, and you're invited to invest. Thank you very much.